Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. You are welcome back to the continuation of our e-learning program. So today we want to look at interior and exterior angles of triangles and polygons. So under it, we want to look at some theorem. It is this theorem that will enable us to solve problems on polygons. It is the one that will be guiding us. It is that theorem that we are going to be following. So when we follow the theorems, inshallah, we are going to get the problem. We are going to get the solution to the problems. Now let us look at theorem 1. The sum of the angles of triangles is 180 degrees. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Now, let us look at the triangles. We have triangle A, B, C. We can see line AB. We can see an arrow there and line CP. We can also see an arrow there. So that arrow shows that AB and CP are parallel. They are parallel. And when we have two parallel lines, it means that those lines can never meet. Is that clear? Look at angle A. Look at angle A. Angle A is A2, while angle B is B2. We also have angle C, that is C. Is that clear? Now, we also have A1 and B1. Angle A1 and B1 are the exterior angles of triangle ABC. They are the exterior angles of triangle ABC. Now, given any triangle ABC, to prove that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. That is, each angle of the triangles ABC. Are we together? Now, construction. To prove that line BC produce line BC to a point X, produce line BC to a point X, that we extend the line. Now draw line CP. That bar, that is the bar on top of CP is line. Is that clear? Now draw a line CP parallel to BA. Draw a line CP parallel to BA. I've explained that. That is the one that has arrows. Is that clear? And they are parallel. Are we together? Now to prove that A1 is equal to A2. A1 equals to A2. That is, this A1 is equal to A2. That is alternate. They are alternate angles. To also prove that B1 is equal to B2. B1 is equal to B2. Can you see? They are also what? They are also corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. That is what we call corresponding angles. Therefore, C plus A1 plus B1 equals 180 degrees. Are we together? That is C plus A1 plus B1 equals 180 degrees. That is angle on a straight line. Are we together? Therefore, C plus A2 plus B2 equals 180 degrees. C plus A1 plus B2 equals 180 degrees. That is angle in the triangle. Are we together? Now, triangle A, angle ACB, angle ACB plus angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. That is angle ACB, ACB plus angle A, that is this angle, then angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Are we together? This therefore implies that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Are we together? Now what we are trying to say in essence is that the angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. And I also show you what we call alternate angles, and then corresponding angle. Now B1 corresponds to B2. Angle B1 corresponds to angle B2. Is that clear? And corresponding angles are equal. Also, A1 is alternate to A2. That is, they are also equal and they are called alternating angle. Are we together? So this is the first theorem. Now let us look at the second theorem. That is, the exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. That is given, and it means, before I go, what they are trying to tell us here is that angle ACX, is an exterior angle to triangle ABC. Is that clear? And the sum of angle BAC and angle CBA is equal to angle ACX. Are we together? Is that clear? It means that angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACX. That is it. Is that clear? If that one is known, therefore, given any triangle ABC will produce BC to X. To prove that ACX is equal to A plus B. Therefore, angle ACX plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. That is, BCX is a straight angle. Therefore, angle A plus angle B plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. That is angle sum of triangle. Therefore, ACX is equal to angle A plus angle B, which is equal to 180 degrees minus angle ACB. Are we together? What we are trying to say here in essence is what I've said earlier on. Is that clear? That is, angle A angle ACX is equal to the sum of angle A and angle B. That is all. Are we together? So if that one is known, therefore we can also move forward to theorem number 3. That is, the theorem states that the sum of the interior angles of any n-sided convex polygon is 2n minus 4 right angle. Is 2n minus 4 right angle. Is 2n minus 4 right angle. Inshallah, this theorem number 3, we are going to prove it later. Is that clear? We are going to prove it later. But let us try as much as possible to look at one suitable example before we go. Example 1. The angles is a triangle. The angle in a triangle are x, 2x, and 3x. These are the angles in a triangle. Find the value of x in degrees. Find the values of x in degrees. Solution. We know that the angles in the triangle is x, 2x, and 3x. And we know that the sum of the interior angle of a triangle sum up to 180. So we are going to add x plus 2x plus 3x and will give us 180 degrees. So when we add x to 2x, it will give us 3x. When we have 3x to 3x, it will give us 6x, which is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x now will be 180 degrees divided by 6, which will give us 30 degrees. So the value of x here is 30 degrees. So if we want to be sure that the sum of the angles sum up to 180 degrees, we know the value of x to be 30 degrees. So the first angle will be 30 degrees. So the second angle will be 2 times 30 degrees, making 60 degrees. And the third angle will be 3 times 30 degrees, making 90 degrees. So when we add 30 degrees to 60 degrees, it will give us 90 degrees. When we add 90 degrees to 90 degrees, it will give us 180 degrees. Are we together? So inshallah, that is how to solve this type of problem. So try as much as possible to look at some examples. I'm going to give you about 2 exercises here. So in the next lesson, try to submit the exercise, the solution to the exercise before we start another lesson, inshallah. Is that clear? So before we go, let us look at what we have done so far. So we discussed about the sum of angle in that is the interior and the exterior angle of triangles and polygons. So we look at theorem number 1, that is the sum of angle of a triangle is 180. Is that clear? We all know that. And under this, I made you to know what to call alternate angle. Alternate angle. If you look critically at this triangle, at this figure, you will agree with me that A2 is alternate to A1. A2 is alternate to A1 and they are equal. B1 is corresponding to B2 and corresponding angle are equal. Is that clear? Is that clear? So that is that. Then I want to, in the theorem number 2, it tells us that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the 2 opposite interior angles. That is The exterior angle ACX is equal to angle A plus angle B. Exactly. Let's assume that you are not given the exterior angle and you are given the interior opposite angle. Therefore, you just have to sum up the two opposite interior angles. Then it will give you the exterior angles. Are we together? So inshallah, till we meet again, let's have a nice weekend. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.